Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into one of the most powerful tools for content creators and streamers, that is Restream. If you ever wished you could go live on YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, LinkedIn and multiple platforms all at the same time, Restream makes it possible with just a few clicks. In this tutorial I will show you how to set up your Restream dashboard, connect your streaming destination, schedule events and manage multi-platform chat all in one place. By the end of this video you will know exactly how to use Restream to expand your reach and stream to a wider audience with zero extra effort. So this is the website open in front of you. I have provided a link of this website in the description of this video. You will just click on that link and you will reach to this website. So this is the overall layout of this website. First of all, we need to create an account here, so we will select sign up for free, and here I will continue with my Google account. So here I will select my Google account here and give access to my account. So that's how your account will be successfully created at Restream. So let me explain you about the package plans that are available at Restream. So there are two kind of package for the creators and the other one is for the company. So in the standard package you will get it $16 per month and billed as $190 yearly, and in the multi-streaming you can multi-stream three channels at once, paid channel plus custom RTMP and cloud recordings and transcription. You will also get cloud recordings and transcription, no restream watermark. Okay. But in the professional package you will get it in $39 per month, and you can live stream at 5 channels at once. Starts at 2 team seats, local video audio recording, and you will get video looping as well. Okay, so they have also mentioned the quality of the video in this professional plan. You will get full HD 1080p quality and you will also get co-producers. Okay, so for now we are going to skip this option. Okay, so because I will show you how you can connect all your platforms and do live streaming at multiple platform in just a single click. Okay, so this is the dashboard here. So you can click on this new stream, and here you could go for the Restream Studio, go live or record from your browser, or you can also schedule videos or stream recordings. Okay, so let's click this one. So here you will give access to your mic and a camera, and it will start streaming of your video. So but before that we have to select the channels at which we can do streaming. So let's go to the dashboard back again. So here you will see an option of channels. So just need to click on this channel option, and here you will be able to connect your Facebook account, YouTube, Twitch account and Twitter. Okay, so if you want to add more channel you will just select add channel, and in this way you can add these all of these channels to your dashboard of the Restream, and you can live stream all of this available platform. Remember, in simple package you will get only 3 channels to live stream, but in professional package you will get 5 channels to live stream at once. So after connecting all of your channel, then you will be able to live stream just by clicking on this plus new stream. So when you click on this you will give access to your audio, video, your mic and the camera, and it will start doing live stream at all the connected platforms. So that's all about Restream, how you can use it to multi stream at multiple live channels. So I will catch you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.